Hi children, how are you all? Are you all fine? Yes, I hope you all are fine and well. Okay, so let's begin our English subject and from our government reference book we'll start chapter number 1. Who did Patrick's homework from our government reference book? So open your reference book and we'll start chapter number 1. Who did Patrick's homework? So before we start this lesson, I would like to tell you that some children they don't like to do homework whatever she or he getting from school. Whatever homework any boy or any girl will get from the school, some children are there, they don't like to do that homework. Some children can easily do that homework, but some children they don't like homework. In short, they don't want to do that homework. Okay? So why that children don't want to do homework? Because they are not interested to do that homework. So here one story is there about a small boy who don't want to do that homework, who don't like homework. So here I am telling you a story about a boy who don't like homework. Okay? So before this story, I already told you about that the boy don't like to do homework. So why he don't like and what he did to complete his homework, and the name of that boy is Patrick. Here we learn about a story about Patrick who did his homework or not done his homework, that you will see. Okay, so let's begin our story. One boy was there, his name was Patrick. One boy was there and his name was Patrick. So he lived with his parents in a village. Okay? And he always go to school on regular time. He pay attention in his class, but he don't like homework because he was little bit lazy. He don't like homework. He knows things and study. Whatever taught in class, he knows everything, but he don't like to do homework. So one day, what happened? Already he don't like to do homework, and he always play with games like cricket, hockey, baseball, and that all games he like to play. He likes to play these all games, but he don't want to do homework. So one day, what happened? His teacher told him that Patrick, you are not means you are not interested in study, so you will never know anything. You are not doing homework. You are not interested in study, so you will never know anything in your life. That his teacher told him that. So one day when what happened? When Patrick was playing, he saw one cat was playing with something. One cat was playing something like a ball. So Patrick went near to that cat. One cat was playing with a ball, so that Patrick saw one cat was playing with a ball, so he immediately went to that cat and take that ball. When cat was playing with ball, Patrick went there and suddenly he took that ball from the cat. So that cat ran away from that place. But with a surprise, the cat was playing with a ball. It was not a ball. Cat was playing with a ball, but it was not a ball. Patrick saw that it was not ball, but instead of ball, there was a tiny man. Small man was there. One man was there of a very small size. Tiny man. Patrick saw that man wear woolen clothes, long hat, and it was looking like a witch. That magician, small man, very small man he saw. So Patrick was very surprised. And when Patrick saw that, the man came near to the Patrick and requested him to save himself from the cat, because that cat was going to fight or going to eat that man. So man was afraid of cat, whom that tiny man. So the man requested, small man, tiny man requested Patrick to save himself from the cat. Patrick thought that it is a nice chance for him. Patrick thought that it is a nice chance for him. He always want someone will complete his homework, his whole study, and with the help of other, he will get first rank, means grade A in the school. In short, Patrick was lazy. He want someone will complete his homework, someone will come and complete his homework. Then how nice! And in school he can get A grade, and his all friends will be happy then. Anyhow, he wanted to get A grade in school, but he don't like. He did not like to work. So he thought it is a good chance, good opportunity for him to make his homework complete, to make that man to complete his homework. So Patrick thought that this man will helpful to me in my homework. So he told that man, I will save you, but one condition is there. You have to complete my homework. Patrick put one condition in front of that man, that I will save you. Definitely I will save you. But I have one condition. You have to complete my homework for first semester in 35 days. Every day you need to complete my homework of first semester. So I will get grade A. To listen this thing, that tiny man was surprised. A little bit worried happened, and his face wrinkled. Means that surprise happened. That why this boy is saying me this way? Why this boy he don't like to do work? So he was thinking. With his surprise, he said, I am cursed, but I will do that for you. So Patrick saved him from the cat. Next day, Patrick gave him homework. But the problem was that man, tiny man, he did not know how to do. He did not know how to do that homework. That little man was ready to help, but the problem was that he don't know. They started to do English work, but some words meaning he don't know. Who? That tiny man. So he told Patrick, go to the library and bring dictionary so we can get meaning. So Patrick brought dictionary, but that man said, I don't know how to use it. So you find the meaning from the dictionary and tell me, or you can write and you can tell me. So Patrick find himself that meaning and wrote. This way in all subjects, that tiny man took help of Patrick. Tiny man was, whenever Patrick offered him homework, Tiny man was confused what to do and how to do. So there was a problem. So that tiny man told him that it is difficult to complete. Means you need to bring dictionary, find out the meanings, write, and then help me. Means read that lesson and told me that so I can help you. I will listen and help you. Because our tiny man world, we don't know how to do that. So this way, the tiny man make that Patrick work. Next comes the subject maths. The math subject came, then Patrick told him that you have to do my homework of maths. So that tiny man told him that we never did this all work. In our world, it is not there like that addition, subtraction, division, multiplication. That all are not there. So, sit down beside me and read this thing for me and guide me how to do this. We else are there that tiny men there, we tiny men are there, we don't know about that human history. So read for me and make me understand so I can help you in your work. So by this way, Patrick was helping to that tiny man to complete his homework. Okay? So for that, the tiny man needs many books, and the Patrick always bringing that books from dictionary and reading for that tiny man, so that man can help him in his homework. Sometimes Patrick worked till late night. Till late night he was working, and next day when he was going to school, his eyes were that popped and buried. Her eyes were popped and buried. Because of that, he did not sleep. Means enough sleep he did not get. So his eyes were popped and blurry, and he went school in this condition only. So Patrick was working harder and harder because he need to find the meaning, he need to find the answers, and he will read for that tiny man. So tiny man helping him. So that tiny man was just introducing. He want to know. So Patrick was reading, explaining the meaning, sum of maths and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All things he was telling to that man. Whom? That tiny man. So you know that finally you can say that in short that Patrick was working harder and harder for that little man. That because that little man don't know anything in subject. So first that Patrick make him understand, and he worked harder till late night. Finally, the last day of the school arrived. Finally, the last day of the school arrived. Now, there was no one for homework. For homework, there was no one. That tiny man slipped away from the windows because his time over, and he had completed work. So his work over. So he slipped away from the window. When the result declared, Patrick got rank A in the class. Patrick got grade A in the class. His classmates were happy. His classmates were very happy. His teachers were surprised that Patrick, a lazy boy, got A grade in the class. Teachers smiled at him and blessed him. His parents were very happy to listen this, to see his result that he got A grade in that all subject. He was now a model kid. He cleaned his room himself and he did all his work himself. So the whole day he enjoyed. Means the Patrick totally changed. He changed his habit and he got A. So all his friends were happy with the teachers, and his parents all were happy when they saw Patrick got A grade. You see, in the end, Patrick still thinking that he make that tiny man to complete his homework. Still in Patrick's mind, it is there that he only make that tiny man to complete his homework. But there is a secret between just you and me, that Patrick has done his homework himself only. Patrick has done work himself only. That tiny man did not work. He did not do homework for Patrick. In short, Patrick has done his work himself only. So Patrick got A grade. Okay? So this is the very nice story about Patrick's life and his Patrick's homework, how he got A grade and how he was admired by all, and how all his teachers were happy to see his performance in all subjects. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this nice story. Thank you very much. Bye.